Hey, namaste and welcome to our channel. Like always, we discuss something new. Today we shall talk about beginner sequence for the Psoas muscles by Tummee.com, a yoga sequencing app for yoga teachers. Did you know that the psoas muscles are the carriers of our day-to-day stress? Let us understand more. Psoas muscles are the connecting muscles between the spine and the legs, connecting from the mid-spine all the way down to the thigh bones. Though it is the deepest core muscle, we use less of it, leaving us with a tight back and tight hips. And this can further add to the stress in the body. When we say yoga for psoas muscles, we are trying to achieve flexibility, strengthening of the leg muscles, releasing stress in the lower back, and increasing the mobility of the upper body. The sequence is divided into two parts. Part 1, a set of twist poses, gentle stretches until this pose. Part 2, a set of lunge variations and forward bends. So we start with palm Hasta Tanasana, where the extended arms help in stretching the torso, releasing any kind of stress in the upper body. While doing stretches, keep that breathing deep for greater effectiveness of the stretch. Next, sun salutation is a good overall warm up for the body, getting the different muscles strong and flexible, getting all those muscles active. Do a good number of rounds to get the body prepared for more intense stretches. After which, students do standing wind release pose by bringing the knee close to the chest. There is an opposite pull in the psoas muscles than its general nature. It also helps in balance and active knees. After doing it on both sides of the body, students do Brik Shasana, where the extension of the arms help in expansion of the torso. So include poses that gives a good stretch to the upper body so that the stretch in the psoas is still there. Students release the pose, come to Tanasana, go into Parivrtta, Hasta, Padangusthasana. Here the twist in the hips and the legs will help in creating a flexible psoas muscles. This will also help in developing balance. Because this is a beginner sequence, students might need to use the wall for support so they do not lose balance. All the poses from Palm Hasta Tanasana till Parivrtta Hasta Padangusthasana prepares the body for Parivrtta Utkatasana. Again, a twist helping the lower back, stretching the glutes and hamstrings as well. All these poses from standing wind release pose to Parivrtta Utkatasana are done on the other side of the body. Then students head to Utthita Tadasana, gentle overall stretch to the upper body and lower body. This pose ensures proper grounding of the feet. Next, we head to Prasarita Padottanasana, stretching the hamstrings, glutes, and also releasing stress in the lower back. Students can place a block in front to rest the crown of the head to make it easier. Then from here, students take their left leg to the side to do Utthita Trikonasana. Trikonasana is a typical psoas muscle pose, and that is why it is difficult to get the alignment right. There is a twist helping the lower back, and the stretch in the hips creates space for flexibility. This pose is also all about balance. Being there, students bend the left leg and go into Utthita Parshvakonasana, extending the left arm up, giving good stretch from the ankles to the fingers. Both upper body and the lower body stretches. All these poses, the psoas muscles are engaged. This part we covered some symmetrical and asymmetrical poses, stretching the torso and strengthening the leg muscles. Next part we will cover lunge variations. So head to the next part by clicking on the end card. Share our videos, like them if you really like our content, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.